Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 5 mic call clarity plus built-in microphone, stay heard anywhere with advanced voice pickup. These headphones with that can make it more useful in everyday situations. All-day comfort over-ear design, soft cushioned ear cups and an adjustable headband make these headphones over. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. IPX4 water and sweat resistance plus universal compatibility, built to handle light rain and workouts, these durable. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.